Learn web development with IK, responsive web design, example 4A. Here is also 12 columns grid. First row, there is a 2 div. First div, class grid 6. Second div, class grid 6. And class last, because margin right equals 0. Second row, there is 12 columns but 3 divs. First div, there is I must see. First div is div last div grid 9, class grid 9. Second div grid 2, and the third div grid 1. Third row, there is grid 1, grid 4, and grid 6. Total equal 12. And the last row, there is 1 div, class equal grid 12, and last first row, there is a 2 div. Second row, there is a 3 div. Third row, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 div. And fourth row, there is 1 div. Style.css. Body HTML element, font size, padding, dot container, it is class container, width, max width, padding, margin, dot container image is element, is HTML element for image, IMG, width 100%, height 100%. Grid there is a 12 grid, width in percent, float left every grid, margin right 2%. And here is how I was calculated this percent. Class last, margin right equals 0, grid 1 till 12, height 100 pixels. 100 pixels. And a media screen, max width 705 pixels. After that display, every div will be 100% display, and every div goes one behind other, because every grid there is 100%. Every grid, width of every grid equal width of display, screen width.